Hello, my name is Shubham Barik. I am a first year student at Vedam School of Technology, and currently I am working as a Python and AI/ML engineer at Centrox, which is owned by DEUS Innovations. So, how did I land this internship? Back in November, the Entrepreneurship Club of Vedam held a series of events that were called Think Like a Founder. In that, my founder, Mr. Sai Praneet, was one of the speakers and one of the main judges. I made a project in that series. It was called Algo Phoenix, and I got awarded Most Disruptive Idea award for that. And this is how I met my founder. So you might be thinking, how did a first year student at a really new tech college end up landing such a great internship with such an experienced person? And the thanks, all of it goes to the teachers and the curriculum of Vedam School of Technology. When it comes to the staff, my teacher, Mr. Anuj Khanna, he taught me how to express my thoughts and behave formally. When it comes to Mr. Anirudh Bhaiya, he taught me how to present myself to the outside world. Then coming to Mr. Shubhesh sir, who taught me how to find the potential inside myself and to pick myself back up after every mistake. Next comes Vedam's curriculum. When I first came here, everything felt a little bit overwhelming, but because of the help of my teachers, I was able to overcome everything. We started with Java, and right now we are at Python and doing web development in React. When I compare myself and when my friends at other traditional colleges compare themselves to me, there is this huge gap. And how should I even say it? The gap between theirs and mine: creativity, thinking skills, problem solving, logical reasoning. This is a huge gap, and Vedam's curriculum fills this gap. If it wasn't for Vedam, it's really hard for me to think that I would land such a great internship with such an experienced founder at such an early time of my engineering career. And at last, to any fellow students who is here listening to this, no matter how hard it gets, no matter what people tell you, what people throw at you, you need to keep going and keep building yourself. Because one day everything is going to fall in path, and you will be glad that you made it through it.